English you can live in. Smart cart. I check the shelf. Compare the price, brand or store. I think twice. One pack is big, the other small. I read the labels, I note them all. Coupons pop up in my phone, deals and discounts I now own. Quality matters more than the tag, I choose the best without a drag. Scan and go, my basket fills, I watch my total, no hidden bills. Grocery shopping is a game I play. Compare, choose, and save today. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.